Yo guys, it is me, Shark Gaming here, with another video on how to install QS-Multicharacter. First things first, you want to go to CFX portal after you've bought the resource. All the links to the stuff will be in the description, including a link to join Quasar's Discord will be in there as well. Quasar. So what you want to do is you want to search for QS-Multicharacter. You want to click download. You're gonna have to excuse me, I've only just woke up, and yeah, I'm just getting this video done just so you guys know how to install it. It's pretty simple, to be fair. It's literally mostly drag and drop. Got Quasar multi-character. You haven't got to worry about the SQLs because there is none. So if we just copy that, scroll down to my G drive, go into there, and then go into here. Just need to delete QB-Multicharacter. Actually, I won't delete it. Alright, now if we go to, where is it? Multi-character. Oh, it's not even there anyway. We're in fucking, we've got my own multi-character, so if we drag that one out into my drive, just there, loose in my drive, and go to standalones. No, not standalones. If we go to the QB core folder, let's paste it in here. Now let's go to here, just make sure there's nothing I got to change in the config, which I don't think there is going to be, but we may as well check just in case. Okay. Okay, so there. You could change the name of this to whatever you want, so we'll name it to Shark Development. Just because obviously, not that we are using Shark Development for this, it's just a thing. True. Oh shit, we want to put that as false. False. We want to put that as false as well. I want to put that as false. Spawn area, yeah, that's fine. Cinematic, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Control S to save it. Obviously, your code editing software will be different. But yeah, and then if we now close that, because we don't need to open anymore, close that, minimize that, and then search XMAPP. Obviously, this is only on my own computer, so obviously the reason why my screen just went black is while I turn on the process for that. I need to go back to my TX data folder because I don't think it's going to start. QB core, no, I need to look for QS multi-character, copy that out. No, actually we'll cut it. We'll just put it into my Shark development scripts folder. Now we'll go to here. Now we'll scroll down, click FX server. Minimize that. Ooh. This shouldn't take that long to start. So as soon as it starts, we should be good to go. I just need to open this local host. There we go. QS-Multicharacter slots table is there. Right. If we minimize that, open this. What's this trying to pull from my Steam? Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, my Steam 5M, my Steam GTA 5 got hacked, so yeah, I have to every time I load up Steam, I have to close Steam just to be able to open GTA for some reason, even though I do not have it installed through Steam. So as soon as I join the server, you will notice that it should load us in with the new multi-character. Obviously, I've named it Shark Development because obviously that's what my server is called, because it's a dev server for scripts, and because yeah, I do write my own scripts. So the only reason why it's there is so I can write my own scripts. That's the whole reason why I've got a dev server on my own PC. But yeah, other than that, oh my god, it's actually released all my songs. Nice. There we go. Loading character. Make sure it doesn't have any errors, which it doesn't. Entering world. There's Quasar logo. And boom, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. There's your character. It automatically pulls your character. Click last location, and boom, it loads you in with your character. It's pretty much drag and drop. It's the best it can be. Quasar scripts are on top, of course. As always, as I say, Quasar scripts on top. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next tutorial video, whatever that may be. Whenever that is, let me know what Quasar script you'd like me to do an installation video for next in the comments section of and then let me know it. And yeah, hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you all in the next one. But for now, that's all I can do for you. Peace out, guys, and catch you all in the next one. Peace.